Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Pet Gate is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any pet owner looking to safely manage their pet's access to different areas of the home, whether it's to keep a new puppy contained, prevent a curious cat from entering a forbidden room, or simply to create a secure boundary for a larger dog, ensuring peace of mind for both pets and their humans. Number 5. Regalo Safety Baby Gate. For over 3 decades, parents have trusted this baby safety product. It's designed to help keep your little ones safe at home. This baby gate is designed in the USA by parents, for parents. As a family-owned brand, we deliver dependable safety products you can count on. This extra-wide gate is perfect for doorways and the bottom of stairs. It expands to fit openings from 29 to 38.5 inches wide. Setting up this gate is simple with its pressure mount design. Just follow the instructions and use the included wall cups for a secure fit. This walk-through safety gate is designed for babies and small to medium pets. It features a secure locking system for your peace of mind. What we like? This gate is a classic choice, trusted by families for decades. Its American design and long-standing reputation offer peace of mind. If you are looking for a reliable, no-frills option for everyday baby and pet safety in doorways and hallways, this is a solid pick. What people say. Fit my bedroom doorway and easy to work. Alignment and sturdiness seems great in the door frame. Great closure and baby can still see out. Install was actually remarkably easy and it was very well described in the directions. Just insert the 4 pins in the holes at the 4 corners, hold it in the doorway, and then unscrew the tension cap thingies until the rubber feet are firm against the door. The metal of the gate itself seems really heavy duty and sturdy, and all of the fittings were really nice quality as well. I imagine this gate is going to hold up for a long time, and I actually think it looks more attractive than the standard wooden baby gates too. Number 4. Safety First Easy Install Walk-Thru Baby Gate. Create safe spaces for your little ones and furry friends. This versatile gate helps keep them contained, but never use it at the top of stairs. Setting up your new gate is a breeze. Our pressure-mounted design allows for quick and flexible installation without any tools, using included wall cups for stability. Gain peace of mind with our Secure Tech indicator. A simple red to green visual cue lets you know instantly when it's securely locked in place. Effortlessly open the gate with just one hand. The secure handle is designed for adult ease while keeping little fingers out. This gate adapts to your home, fitting doorways from 29 to 38 inches wide. It stands 28 inches tall, perfect for various openings. Need a little more space? With the included extensions, you can adjust the width up to 38 inches to fit even wider openings. What we like? This gate offers ultimate convenience with its tool-free installation and one-hand operation. The Secure Tech indicator provides visual confirmation of a secure lock. If you need a gate that's quick to set up and easy for adults to use while keeping little ones and pets safely contained, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Once it's installed though, it's very sturdy. The gate door itself opens easily for adults, but it has a double-latch safety feature that would also make it great for babies or toddlers. It fit great and was a very easy installation. I would definitely buy another one if I needed. Number 3. Ingenuity Decorative Panel Tall Baby and Dog Gate. Introducing a versatile and secure gate designed for your home. It offers flexible installation options to keep your loved ones safe. This gate adjusts to fit openings from 28 to 42 inches wide. It provides a secure barrier wherever you need it most. Standing 30 inches tall, it offers an extra layer of security. This height is ideal for deterring both curious babies and energetic pets. Choose between hardware or pressure mounting for a secure fit. It adapts to your specific needs and home layout. Install it at the top or bottom of stairs, or in any doorway. It ensures safety and peace of mind in high-traffic areas. Its elegant espresso finish complements your home decor. It combines safety with style seamlessly. What we like? Looking for a gate that blends seamlessly with your home decor? This option features a decorative panel and offers versatile mounting options, including hardware mounting for stairs. If you prioritize aesthetics and need a tall, wide gate that can be installed securely at the top or bottom of stairs, this is the one. What people say. The gate itself is beautiful and made out of metal, except for the patterned screen on the door, that is a sturdy plastic. Super easy to install, the extra pieces that come with it really help with flexibility and width, and good quality, not tacky plastic. This gate looks very nice in between our living room and kitchen. I like the dark brown color of it and the design on the door. Number 2. BalanceFrom Easy Walk-Thru Baby and Pet Safety Gate. Create a safe barrier for your little ones and pets. It adjusts easily to fit doorways, stairs, and hallways up to 38.5 inches wide. This gate is made from strong alloy steel with a clean white finish. It's built to be lightweight yet sturdy, providing reliable protection. Enjoy the convenience of a gate that automatically closes behind you. It can also stay open when you need to pass through easily. Our unique 3-step opening system adds an extra layer of security. It's designed to be difficult for toddlers to open, ensuring only adults can access it. Setting up and adjusting this gate is simple thanks to its lightweight design. It weighs just 11 pounds, ensuring a secure and stable fit for everyday safety. What we like. This gate is designed for maximum convenience and security. The auto close and hold open features are perfect for busy households, and the 3-step access makes it difficult for toddlers to open. If you need a sturdy steel barrier for high-traffic areas like stairs and doorways, and appreciate features that simplify your life, this gate is a great fit. What people say. The gate is easy to assemble and install. The walk-through door is convenient for adults. It is sturdy and keeps pets contained effectively. Number 1. Carlson 28 Extra Tall Super Wide Dog Gate. This gate is designed to be extra tall and super wide. It's perfect for larger dogs and wide spaces in your home. You don't need any tools or hardware to set this up. Its sturdy freestanding design allows for quick placement and repositioning anywhere. Crafted from high-quality wood with a stylish brown finish, it's both durable and attractive. It will complement your home decor beautifully. Its expandable frame adjusts smoothly to fit various openings and open floor plans. This makes it ideal for use in living rooms and hallways. With its solid construction and non-toxic finishes, it provides reliable containment for pets of all sizes. It's a versatile barrier for your furry friends. What we like. This gate is ideal for those with very wide openings or a need for a freestanding solution. Its extra height and width make it perfect for larger dogs, and the premium wood construction adds a touch of style. If you're looking for a versatile, no installation required barrier for large spaces or open floor plans, this wooden gate is a fantastic option. What people say. It is very sturdy and a nice composition of beautiful wood along with metal rails that has the heaviness and length to keep even a large Labrador Retriever contained, safe, and happy. The gate's design is genius. It comes with 2 ways of using it. Either the legs you attached as shown in the picture, or these long type screws with a pressure cap. Other gates are a pain in the butt compared to this gate. There is no hardware you have to screw into a wall, thus not having unsightly hardware permanently attached to your walls. The screws slide into the pre-drilled holes at the top and bottom, then you make sure you have the gate's clip secured, and you extend the screw to the wall and tighten the cap towards the gate, pressure locked, like I said, genuine. Easy to assemble and alter width when you need to. I don't even use the clips as I change its position quite often, and it stays at the required width, good and strong and stable, at least for my dachshund. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.